I'm Ryan from iThemeland, bringing you unmatched WordPress and WooCommerce expertise. This tutorial is going to help you to change multi-order shipping fields at the same time. Changing multi-order shipping fields in our plugins is simply possible by using Bulk Edit's form. So, in this form, we have provided every item related to the order shipping, and you are able to bulk edit them in less than a few minutes. So to take the most advantage of the WooCommerce Bulk Orders Editing plugin features for changing multi-order shipping fields, it's better to first add the related columns to the order table in the column profile form. Okay, first we're gonna add the shipping fields columns to the order table. To have access to the column profile form as well as the bulk edit form, you need to install our plugin on WordPress and navigate to this address to get to the main page. So the address is WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, and Who Orders. Then you can click on the column profile button on the top left of the screen to open the column profile form. Okay, to add shipping fields to the order table, you need to scroll down to find items under the shipping category and mark them all. And finally, by clicking on Apply to Table here, all of these fields will be added to your table. Now you can monitor the changes made on multi-order shipping fields by bulk edit form or bind edit. Alright, so let's get right into it. To change the multi-order shipping fields, you need to open the bulk edit form from the main page by clicking on bulk edit. And as you can see, we categorized order fields into different tabs so you can find and edit them very easily. So to change the multi-order shipping fields, you just need to go to the shipping tab to see the related fields and bulk edit them at the same time. In the shipping tab of bulk edit form, you have access to some fields to be bulk edited, such as shipping first name, shipping last name, shipping address 1 and 2, shipping city, shipping company, shipping country, shipping state, and shipping postcode. Now to change those fields, we designed two different options according to the values that you assign to them, which are a condition box plus text box and combo box. So let's get more familiar with using them for changing the multi-order shipping fields. Alright, so what is condition box plus text box? By designing the condition box, we provided some items for you to change the values of shipping fields. And the first one is, then there's new, which replaces the current value by a new data append, which adds a data to the end of the current values. And then we have which adds a data to the beginning of the current value, and delete, which removes some part of the current values, and finally replace, which replaces some part of the current values by new data. Once you do that, you should set the text box and apply it by clicking on Do Bulk Edit. For example, you can change the values assigned to the different fields of shipping tab. Alright, what we're gonna do now is append and south to the shipping first name and set America as a whole new value for the shipping last name. So go ahead and choose append from the condition box of shipping first name. Now type and south in the text box right here. Now choose new from the condition box of shipping last name. And then you're gonna type America in the opposite text box. And the last thing you're gonna do is click on Do Bulk Edit and check out the results in the order table. And there it is. Now consider you need to prepend USA to the shipping last name. So for that, you just need to do the same, except you have to choose prepend from the condition box of that field. And as you can see, when we click on do bulk edit, just like we did now, the last name of those filtered orders are gonna change. Okay, now we want to delete address from shipping address to. To better understand the functionality of the delete option, let's see the contents of shipping address to field by clicking on show address button of the first order in the order table, which is address to. By removing address from this content, we expect to just see 2 in this field. So let's try it and see what happens. Choose delete from the condition box of shipping address to, and then type address in the text box. Then go ahead and click on do bulk edit. Now click on show address button again, and as you can see, only 2 is remained and we don't see address anymore. Now what if we wanted to replace California in the shipping city field by New York? To use the replace option for shipping city field, you need to choose replace from the first condition box, then type some part of the current data in the first text box like California, because we wanted California, and then choose the same case from the second condition box. What you're gonna do next is type the new value, which is gonna be New York, in the second text box. Now click on do bulk edit. And as you can see here, there is also an extra box in front of the second text box called variable box. In this combo box, we provided some default values and ID, which is the first one, and then we have a title, then menu order, SKU, parent ID, parent title, parent SKU, regular price, and sale price. So you can choose any of them to be replaced by the current value. Alright, now let's talk about the combo box here. We designed combo boxes in front of some fields such as shipping country because you need to choose data from a default list. Actually, since we provided a complete list of countries in our plugin, there is no need for you to type anything to change the multi-order shipping country. Instead, you can simply choose one of them from the drop-down list right here. Now let's see how we can change the multi-order shipping fields by bind edit. Bind edit is an amazing feature of our plugin, and it actually enables you to change multi-order shipping fields directly from the table. To use this feature, you need to add the columns which you want to bulk edit to the order table, and then click on bulk edit. And now mark your preferred orders in the table and then click on the field of one of the orders you want to change, which we're gonna do now. And then change the value and then press on the enter on your keyboard and just wait for the plugin to do the rest. For example, if you click on bind edit and click on the shipping first name column of the first order, and remove add south, this phrase will be removed from all of the other marked orders as shown here. Alright, now inline edit of all shipping columns. Sometimes you want to see all of the information about one order and you need to change one or more fields at the same time. We also provided this option by inline edit of the all shipping column of one order directly from the table. Just follow along so you can understand it better. Add all shipping column to the table and then click on the all shipping button in front of the order you need to change the values of. In the new form, All of the fields related to the shipping information of that order will be displayed, including first name, last name, address 1 and 2, city, state, country, postcode, company, and customer note. So you can change or edit any value assigned to these fields and then click on Save Changes.